Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to save Canva as a PDF. So I'll open up this newsletter I was actually working on. Okay, and if you want to save this as a PDF, it's very easy and simple. So we'll just wait for this to load up and I'll show you here. We actually have 2 pages for this newsletter right here. So this is page 1. And as you can see, it's still loading up, and this is page 2. Okay. And to save this as a PDF, all you need to do, guys, is come here at the top right. So once this share icon loads up, you click on share. Okay. And now here, I want you to click on download. And here, make sure the file type, guys, was selected to either PDF standard or PDF print. Okay. So this one is the best for documents and emailing it. So I'll save it as standard. And here what you can do, guys, is you can go ahead and select what pages you want if you want specific pages. Or we can go ahead and select all of them. So I would like to have all the pages and then click on done. And then we can just go ahead and click on download. And our PDF file will start downloading, as you can see right here. And once it is actually done downloading, guys, I will open it up for you to see. Okay. All right, there we go. It has been done downloading. So I'll open this up in a new tab. So here we go. This is our company newsletter that I was working on. And this is page 1. If we go down, we get to page 2 as well. Okay, as you can see, this is page 2, and it's really that easy and simple.